The question is, given y equals 1000x squared, justify the equation log y equals log 1000 plus log x squared. Then justify the equation log y equals 3 plus 2 log x. Notice y is not linearly related to x, but log y is linearly related to log x. My first thoughts when I see the question is that there are two parts to the question: the given section and the justification. However, they also provide us with a hint. The hint is pretty important because it basically tells us what we're supposed to solve for. At first, I was quite confused as to what the point of the question was, but the hint proves to us that there will not be a solid number answer to this problem. The answer will be to prove whether or not a certain equation is linear or not. The reason the first equation is justifiable is because if we were to put y 1000x squared into this equation, then we would basically have ourselves a logarithm principle or law. What it would look like is the reason this makes sense is because we learned about how adding logarithms together is possible, because the 1000x squared is seen right here with 1000 of log and log x squared. In order to prove how log y equals 3 plus 2 log x is linear, we would have to do something where the logs are gone and then graph it to see if it's linear or not. One thing we can do is just remove the logs, have y equals 2x plus 3. Now, I can tell that this is a linear equation, but just to make sure, let's graph it on Desmos. The equation is linear, and this was possible thanks to the hint that was provided, which shows that the relationship between log y and log x is linear, even though x and y aren't.